Hey guys, wanna know how to change the look of your Instagram profile? Let me show you how you can easily change the font of your bio. Now follow this simple step-by-step tutorial and you'll know how, so let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram on your device and now go to your profile page. So when there, click on the Edit Profile option right here on the left. Then go to the bio section right here, select your current bio and tap simply copy in this pop-up menu. So then just exit the Instagram and open any browser. I'll just go with Safari, and now in the search field either at the bottom or at the top, enter lingojam.com. Now hit go at the bottom right and you will be taken to this font website. So here you can pretty much transform your current bio to a cooler one. So just paste your current bio in this upper field right there, tap paste and tap done right here. So here at the bottom you will see all of the varieties of different fonts. You can choose any font, just simply click on the field with this font and select it fully. Now tap copy right there, come back to the Instagram, open your accounts page and tap on the edit profile again and go to the bio again, delete your current bio and paste a new one. Tap paste and tap done in the top right to save the changes. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.